Hey everyone, today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 WordPress plugins that you need to install right now. 1. Jetpack. Jetpack is a plugin that includes a bunch of features such as website security, website performance, website analytics, and more. With Jetpack, you can easily manage and customize your website to meet your needs. 2. Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a plugin that helps improve your website's search engine optimization, SEO, by providing insights on how to optimize your website's content. It includes a bunch of features such as keyword analysis, readability analysis, and more. 3. WP Forms. WP Forms is a plugin that allows you to easily create contact forms, surveys, polls, and other types of forms on your website. It's user-friendly and includes features such as drag-and-drop form builder, conditional logic, and more. 4. WP Supercache. WP Supercache is a plugin that helps improve your website's loading speed by caching your website's pages. This means that when someone visits your website, they won't have to wait as long for the pages to load. 5. Akismet. Akismet is a plugin that helps prevent spam on your website by filtering out unwanted comments and trackbacks. It's easy to use and helps keep your website's comments section clean and organized. And that's it for our top 5 WordPress plugins you need to install now. Let us know in the comments which plugins you're currently using on your website. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more WordPress content. See you in the next video.